Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks. Now before I get into the video, I am doing a giveaway on this channel. I'm gonna be giving away some Supreme items. So right here we got the Supreme poncho, Supreme gloves, and the Supreme toothpaste. So if you want to enter in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. Then in this video, comment the word donut as well as your IG user tag. I will give you guys the rest of January to enter in the giveaway, and I will decide the winner on February 1st.
Few moments later. 3 days later. 1 eternity later.
my loop. Built for the kill, I don't care how you feel. Man, the blood, sweat, tears got me built like a troop. I don't really care if you got problems. It's not my fault that you can't solve them. If you an enemy, nigga, why bother? Son of the bitches, I call them my dogs. Heads and tails, either way the toss go. I be on that boss mode. Dodging press, bitch, you guess I'm on a higher road. Nothing less deposit on my checks. I got the bread, got respect from the OGs, so I can flex. Yeah, I ain't signing no deals, I ain't signing no papers. Could give a fuck what y'all think, that I have to wait until later. I'm on a road to success, my mama told me I'm blessed. My music is meditation therapy, I'm never stressed. I made my own rules, nigga, I can do what I want. Ain't need a race across the finish line to know that I won. I got some haters in the background wishing I lost. Battle rappers on the sideline doing the toss. Heads or tails, either way the toss go. I be on my boss mode, dodging press, bitch, you guess I'm on a higher road. Nothing less deposit on my checks. I got the bread, I got respect from the OGs, so I can flex.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.